How to add music to a Canva presentation. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add music to a Canva presentation. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can directly open up your Canva and head over to the presentation where you want to add music to. For example, I am choosing this presentation with this one right here, which has at least 2 slides for now. You can choose up to how much presentation you want. So once you've selected the presentation, the next step you need to apply up in order to add music is, in the left side of the screen, you'll be finding different options. You can look at the option called uploads, this one right here. And once you do that, you can go to the audio tab here. So you'll be finding different options here. You can select the option called audio from this section right here. And once you are here, you can select up the music that is already available. Or you can also upload a file from your particular device. For now, I've already uploaded a file right here. So all you need to do is, you can use this music from this section. You can just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, it will be placed under your presentation just like that. And whenever you start playing your presentation from your Canva, it will start playing with the music in the background as well. So when you go to the three dot, you also can find different options available. You can just choose up that options for now. So therefore, this is the simple method you can apply up in order to add music to your Canva presentation. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.